Hello guys, good morning. It's a toys assembling video. Let's assemble toys now. Oh, it's a Airbus. Now we are going to assemble this toy. Yeah, yeah. First we have to insert batteries. Wow, it contains three batteries. Wow, wow, super. Next, close the battery door. Wow. Yeah, side. Oh, attach the side part of the aeroplane. It is easy to attach it. Oh no, now attach another part. Wow. Yes. Yeah, now attach. Now fix. Now fix the extra parts. Yes. Wow. Side parts. Now fix the side parts. Wow, it's completed now. The assembling of airplane is completed now. It's amazing. It looks like good. Super. Wow, good. It's amazing. Wow. Yeah, now we'll check it out. Oh, it's working good. Wow, nice. Yes, it's working good. Next, this is the down part of the lorry. Yes, it's amazing. It's in red color. The tires are okay. Good. Wow. Yes, this is front view of the lorry. Now fix. Oh, this is the tanker of the lorry. We have to fix it now. Yeah, fix it nicely. Yeah, that is the open door. Oh, fix it. Yeah, soon we have to fix it now. Yes, it's good. Yeah, the fixing of the lorry is completed. Now we have to tighten with screws. Yeah, yes. Oh, it looks amazing. Wow. Yeah, now second screw has to be tightened. Wow. Oh, it's the assembling of lorry is completed. Wow, very nice. Oh, it's working good. Yeah, the lorry is working good. Yes, it's really working good. The assembling of lorry is completed. Now this is another transport lorry. This is the down part of the lorry. Yes, this is the top front view of the lorry. We have to fix it now. Wow, this toy is amazing. It's working good. Wow, this is a great toy. Wow, this is the body of the lorry. Yes. Wow, it's great. Now screws has been tightened. Screws have to be tightened. Wow, two screws have to be tightened. Oh, see this lorry contains safety tire. See guys. Yeah, this is another screw. This is the extra part of the lorry, top part of the lorry. Wow, it is good.